Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to import AliExpress reviews to Shopify for free. So you need to install Reviews application, and the most common ones are Judge.me or Ali Reviews. So the process is very simple. You should install the application from the Shopify App Store or Google Play, then connect it to your store, then paste the AliExpress product link into the application's import section. And what is actually convenient is that you can usually filter which reviews you want to see. For example, only 5-star ones or only reviews with photos, etc. After importing, the application automatically displays them on your product page in a clean layout, which builds trust for your store. So that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.